Sum is how many terms of the series 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube goes on still should be taken to get the sum 14,400. So what is given is 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube. It goes on. How many terms they have asked? So some n terms is there. We don't know till what number it is. So that n value only they have asked. So I am going to put the last sum value to be n cube. This n value, the number of terms only we are going to find out. That is equal to, when we add all this, the sum, the total to be equal to 14,400. This is what is given. Okay, so now this you know, right? 1 cube, this is what it is, summation of n cube. It starts from 1 till n. It is 14,400. What formula will you apply for summation of n cube? N into n plus 1 by 2 the whole square, that is equal to 14,400. So it is, now I am going to take this whole square to the other side. When you take the square to the other side, it comes as root. So it is n into n plus 1 by 2 is equal to root of 14,400. So now n into n plus 1 by 2 is equal to, what is root 144? It is 12. Yeah, 12 12s are 144. So now whenever you have 2 zeros inside the root, you should put 1 zeros outside. So now take this 2 to the other side. You will get n into n plus 1 is equal to 2 into 120. So that is, now multiply this n inside. What will you have? N is common for both this n and 1. So n into n is n square plus n into 1 is n. That is equal to 2 into 120 is 240. Now take this 240 to the other side. N square plus n minus 240 is equal to 0. Now what you have arrived at? You have arrived at an quadratic equation. So in order to find out the n value, you have to factorize this. So minus 240. When you factorize, you should have plus 1 to be the answer. So 16 into 15. 16 15s are 240. So you should get plus 1 as the answer. So put the minus sign for the lesser number. So 16 into minus 15 is minus 240. When you add, you will get 1. 16 minus 15 is plus 1. So as the coefficient of n square is 1, you can write the directly write the factors n plus 16 into n minus 15 is equal to 0. Now separate and equal to 0. N plus 16 is equal to 0. N minus 15 is equal to 0. Now take this plus 15 to the other side. You will get n is equal to minus 16. Now take this minus 15 to the other side. N is equal to plus 15. Now see here, we have arrived at two values for n. Now this value of n is negative. The number of terms cannot be negative. So we should take the positive value. What you will write? N can't be negative. Therefore n is equal to 15. This is the answer. Therefore the number of terms is 15 is the answer. Now the fifth sum is, the sum of the cubes of the first n natural numbers is 2025. Then find the value of n. Here they have said the sum of the cubes of first n natural numbers. So how will you write the cubes of n natural number? 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube goes on still plus n cube is equal to the sum. The total of this one is given as what? 2025. The sum of the first n cube natural number. Okay, so it is 2025. So they have asked us to find out the value of n. This n value we need to find out. So what formula will you apply for this cube? N into n plus 1 by 2 the whole square, that is equal to 2025. So now you are going to take this whole square to the other side. It will come as root. N into n plus 1 by 2 is equal to, when you take this square to the other side, it will come as root of 2025. So now n into n plus 1 by 2 is equal to, what is root 2025 is? It is 45. 45 into 45 is 2025. Now take this 2 to the other side, you will get as n into n plus 1 is equal to 2 into 45. Okay, now multiply this n inside, so you will get n into n is n square plus 1 into n is n, that is equal to 2 into 45 is 90. Now take this 90 to this side, n square plus n. When this 90 comes to this side, it will come as minus 90, that is equal to 0. Have this as one equation. This is a quadratic equation. So how will you find out the n value? You factorize this and find out. 1 into minus 90 minus 90. While adding, what you should get is, you should get 1, positive 1. So 10 nines are 90, right? So you, while multiplying, you should get minus 90. So put minus sign to the lesser number, because while adding you should get plus 1. So 10 minus 9 is plus 1. Okay, 10 into minus 9 is minus 90, 10 minus 9 is plus 1. So as the coefficient of n square is 1, you can write the factors directly. N plus 10 into n minus 9 is equal to 0. Now separate and put equal to 0. N plus 10 is equal to 0. N minus 9 is equal to 0. N is equal to, when you take this plus 10 to the other side, it will come as minus 10. When you, now n is equal to, when you take this minus 9 to the other side, you will get as plus 9. So see here, again we have got two n values. One is negative and another one is positive. So already I have set you number of terms. While counting, we will count 1, 2, 3 positive values. We will not count minus 1, minus 2. So number of terms, n value can't be negative. Therefore, n is equal to 9. Sixth sum is, Rekha has 15 square color papers of sizes 10 cm, 11 cm, 12 cm, goes on still 24 cm. How much area can be decorated with these color papers? So what they have said is, Rekha has how many square color papers? 15 color papers she has. Okay, so n value is 15. So now see here, 10, here the first color paper, it is of square size. Okay, so let me draw and explain. So first square paper, the size is, the side of that is 10 cm. So all sides will be 10 cm. So when you take the next square paper, what they have said, it is 11 cm. So all the sides will be 11, right? So the third one like this is goes on like this. Third one is 12 cm. Okay. So now like this is goes on still 24. What they have asked us is, find out the area, how much area can be decorated. So what will be the area of first square paper? What is the area of the square formula? Side into side, right? So area of the first square paper is 10 into 10. So what you are going to do is 10 square. Okay. So next second square paper is what? 11 into 11 is 11 square. Then third square paper is 12 into 12 is 12 square. So like this is it goes on still 24 square. Then how much area can be decorated with all these color papers? So we want to add this area plus this area plus this area, go till 24 cm. Those areas we are going to add. That's what they have asked us to find out. Okay. So now let me add number of square papers is 15. She has 15 square papers. So area of square papers is equal to what is the total area of all the square papers? It will be 10 square plus 11 square plus 12 square, goes on still 24 square. So this answer only we need to find out. So let me find out the answer. 10 square plus 11 square plus 12 square plus goes on still 24 square, that is equal to, so see here it doesn't start from 1. Already I have taught you whenever you are going to add any series, the numbers should start from 1 and it should be continuous. Here it is continuous, 10, 11, 12, it is continuous, but it doesn't start from 1. So what you will do is, from 1 take till 24. So it is 1 square plus 2 square plus goes on still 24 minus of, then what you will do, from 1 take the previous number of this 10. So 1 square plus 2 square plus goes on still, previous of 10 is what? It is 9 square. So now you find out the area. So this is summation of n square starting from 10 till 24, that is equal to, here this is again the summation of n square. This starts from 1 till 24 minus, this is summation of n square again, starts from 1 till 9. Now apply the formula. What formula you know? N for square. For n square, what is the formula? N into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6 minus, again this is also n square. What is the formula? N into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. So now apply the n value. What is the n value here? The final value is the n value. Already I have taught you. So it is 24 into 24 plus 1. Here 2 into 24 plus 1 by 6. Here minus. Now this side the n value is the final value of this. So 9 into 9 plus 1 into 2 into 9 plus 1 by 6. So now cancel this. 6 4s are 24. So 4 into 24 plus 1 is 25. Now already I have taught you, first do the multiplication then add. Don't add and multiply. First multiplication then addition. Okay. So 2 into 24 is 48. 48 plus 1 is 49. Minus of, now you can cancel 9 and 6. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. So 3 into 9 plus 1 is 10. Again first multiply then add. 2 9s are 18. 18 plus 1 19. By what you have? By 2 you have here. So 2 and 10 I can cancel now. 2 5s are 10. 4 into 25 is, 4 25s are 100. 100 into 49 minus 3 5s are 15 into 19. So 49 into 100 is 4900 minus 15 into 19 is 285. When you multiply you will get 285. So now subtract this. 5 1 6 4. So it is 4615. So what will you write at last? Area of 15 square papers is equal to 4615. What is the unit given? Centimeter square. At last you have to write the answer in this sentence like this. Area of 15 square papers is equal to 4615 centimeters square. The next 7th sum is, find the sum of the series 2 cube minus 1 cube plus 4 cube minus 3 cube plus 6 cube minus 5 cube plus goes on till n terms they are given. Next they are given till 8 terms. We want to find out the answer. So see here in your book the question is 6 cube minus 15 cube they would have written. That is wrong. So it is 6 cube minus 5 cube. So change this correction in your book also. It is 6 cube minus 5 cube. Okay. So now see here what they have asked us to find out is 2 cube minus 1 cube plus 4 cube minus 3 cube plus 6 cube minus 5 cube. This goes on still. First sum they have asked us to find out till n terms of this first sum we are going to solve now. Okay. So see here when you find out 2 cube minus 1 cube, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 minus 1 you will get 7. Now when you subtract this you will get 55. Like this it goes on. So we can't apply 7 plus 59. We can't apply any GP or AP formula. So now what I am going to do is I am going to take all the first terms together outside. So what you have in the first term here, it is 2 cube, plus here what you have 4 cube, plus here what you have 6 cube. It goes on still what? N terms. Okay. Now next what you have in the middle, you have minus for all the terms. So take that minus commonly outside. So next second term is what? Here it is 1 cube, plus as I took minus commonly, inside you can put minus plus. Okay, so 3 cube, next plus 5 cube, goes on still n terms. So see here, now we have got two separate series. Now see the series, it is like 2, 4, 6, it is the sum of even numbers. Here see here it is 1, 3, 5, here it is sum of odd numbers with the cubes. Okay, so now there is a general formula for even numbers. What you will write is 2n. When you substitute 1 for n, 2 into 1 is 2. When you substitute 2, 2 into 2 is 4. When you substitute 3 for n, 2 3 is a 6. So this is the general formula for the sum of even numbers. So 2 into n, next what you have? The whole cube. This is what we are going to find out the summation. This is the summation of even numbers, the whole cube. Minus, next what summation you have? Summation of, next what, these are the odd numbers, 1, 3, 5, like this, it goes on. So the general formula for odd number is 2n minus 1. When you substitute 1, 2 1s are 2, 2 minus 1 is 1. First term you will get. Then 2 2s are 4, 4 minus 1 is 3. You have got the second term. Then 2 3s are 6, 6 minus 1 is 5. So we will get the odd number series. So this is the general term, 2n minus 1 the whole cube. Now see here, here also you have summation, here also this is a summation of series. So take that summation outside commonly. What you will have? 2n cube minus 2n minus 1 the whole cube. Okay. Now see here, this summation is commonly outside. Now this is of the form, what form you have? A cube minus b cube. So this is of the form a cube minus b cube. What is the formula you know for a cube minus b cube? A minus b the whole cube plus 3ab into a minus b. This is the formula what I am going to apply here in this sum. Now this a value is 2n, b value is 2n minus 1. So apply the formula, summation of, put the bracket commonly, a minus b the whole cube. This is a, 2n is a, minus, as I have got minus of 2n minus 1, put the bracket 2n minus 1 the whole cube plus 3 into a into b. 3 into, what is a is 2n, into b is 2n minus 1. Next what you have? A minus b. What is a? 2n minus b. Minus of b you have, so put the bracket once again, 2n minus 1. So now simplify this. Summation is common outside. So now see here, if you 2n, now take this minus inside and remove the bracket. Minus into minus 2n minus 2n, minus into minus 1 is plus 1 the whole cube, plus 3 2s are 6n into 2n minus 1. Now again simplify this, 2n, take this minus inside and remove the bracket, minus 2n, minus into minus plus 1. Okay. Now 2n minus 2n you can cancel here. So summation of 1 cube, summation of 1 cube is what? 1 plus, now multiply this 6n inside, what you will have? 6 2s are 12, n into n is n square, minus 1 into 6n is minus 6n. Now again 2n minus 2n gets cancelled, 6n into 1 you have, 6n into 1 is 6n. Okay. So now this summation is common for this. So now take this summation inside for every term. Summation of 1 plus 12 is a number. So take that write that outside, and 12 into summation of n square minus, again 6 is a number, 6 into summation of n. So now summation of 1. What is summation of 1? It is 1 plus 1 plus 1. It goes on still n terms. So it is n into 1. N terms of 1. Right? So it is n. Summation of 1 is what? It is n. Plus 12 into, what is summation of n square formula? You know already, right? N into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6 minus 6 into summation of n. What is the summation of n formula? N into n plus 1 by 2. Now 6 and 12 you can cancel. 6 2s are 12, 2 3s are 6. Now simplify this. N plus 2 into n is 2n into, multiply this inside. First take n and commonly multiply for this. N into 2n, 2n square. N into 1 is n. Now take this 1 and multiply this. 1 into 2n, 2n. 1 into 1 is 1. Now minus of 3 into n into n plus 1. Now n plus, now this 2n is common for all this. So multiply this 2n for each and every term inside. 2 2s are 4. N into n square, n cube. 2n into n is 2n square. 2n into 2n is, again 2 2s are 4. 4n. N into n square. 2n into 1 is 2n. Minus 3n into n is 3n square. Minus 3n into plus 1 is minus 3n. Okay. So now simplify this. What will you have? 4n cube. Like terms together you do. 2n square plus 4n square is 6n square plus 6n square. Then what you have? Minus 3n square. Then n plus 2n is plus 3n. Then what you have? Minus 3n. So now 4n cube. 6n square minus 3n square is what? It is 3n square. 3n minus 3n gets cancelled. So the answer is sum of n terms. Answer is this one you have got. Sum of n terms is equal to, this is the answer you have got, 4n cube plus 3n square is the answer. Next what they have asked, second one is till 8 terms. That is the question, right? So second is till 8 terms. So in the place of n you are going to substitute 8 now. So sum of 8 terms, that is equal to sum of n terms formula. You write what answer you have got? 4n cube plus 3n square. 4n cube plus 3n square. In this place of n now you substitute this 8. 4 into n cube is 8 cube plus 3 into n square is 8 square. So 4 into 8 cube is 8 8s are 64. 64 into 8 is 51. 5 1 2 plus 3 into 8 square is 8 8s are 64. Now multiply this. 4 2s are 8. 4 1s are 4. 4 5s are 20. Plus multiply this. 3 4s are 12. 3 6 are 18. 19. Now add this. 2048 plus 192. 10. 14. 2. 2. So sum of 8 terms answer is 2240.